Hello, and now we can implement this as a pivot now. So in pandas, let me make you understand this. You see, this is a pivot df, and you can see we have testing this dot pivot, and this df is actually this one, which we are getting as this, and we want to convert it to pivot, and we want index to be eng. So index will be eng. So there will not be 0, 1. This will not be there because we have not set the index to be this young or odd. But then columns will be actor, and this column will be actor like. We shall be having all names. Jack is a column here, Arnold another one column, Kamau another column, like that. But now the values that each one has within the column, it is now going to be alongside each person down after the header, this column like that. And now we can just come and save pivoted data and see how it is going to come out. Let's go data and shift enter. I think there is a problem. Not this one. Oh, but the F. Just so. Now you can see everything as we have did here. So we had this 7 and so we have actor, and actor, it is how this. We have this one, this actor, we have this actor, we have this actor, and we have this actor. So that is how it is. And eng, this we have set it already as index, so it's either odd or yeah. And actor, remember actually the difference between this actor here it is the individuals, and eng here it is the what, the column. And these individuals making the columns, like 100 here. You can see 100 corner 75, which is this, and that is a odd. And we have 100 young 80. So 100 young 80 and odd 75, you see.